Hey there, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of FX Videos, your trusted source for the latest updates in the world of cryptocurrency. It's January 5th, 2025, and as we head into the start of the week, we're going to dive into the headlines, analyze market movements, and talk about what's likely to happen next. If you're an investor, trader, or just crypto curious, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's kick things off with the top news stories shaping the market right now. Over the weekend, Bitcoin showed signs of renewed momentum, breaking through the $36,000 resistance level. After weeks of consolidation, this could be the spark needed to fuel a broader rally. Ethereum has also been making waves, testing the $1,950 mark as traders eye the psychological $2,000 barrier. In other news, the SEC is back in the headlines. Over the weekend, there were reports of discussions about a potential timeline for approving Ethereum futures ETFs. This comes as institutional interest in crypto continues to rise, with more traditional financial players looking for regulated ways to enter the market. If an announcement is made soon, it could be a major catalyst for ETH prices in the coming days. Another major development, Solana. Yes, Solana is once again proving it's a force to be reckoned with. Following last year's adoption surge from both developers and users, the network's ecosystem continues to expand. Over the last 48 hours, SOL has climbed over 10%, trading just shy of $48. Many believe this is tied to a surge in NFT activity on the platform, coupled with a string of new partnerships announced earlier this month. Now let's break down the forecast for tomorrow, Monday, January 6th. First up, Bitcoin. The technical charts are showing a bullish crossover on the daily timeframe. The RSI is hovering around 62, which indicates there's still room for upward movement before we hit overbought conditions. If Bitcoin manages to close above $36,500 today, we could see a push toward $38,000 early next week. However, keep an eye on the $34,800 support zone. If that's breached, we could be in for a quick drop to $33,500. Ethereum is next. With ETH flirting with the $2,000 level, it's worth noting that trading volumes have been steadily increasing. The MACD indicator is showing bullish momentum, and with the buzz around the Ethereum futures ETF, don't be surprised if we see a breakout above $2,000 by the middle of the week. That said, resistance at $2,050 could be a sticking point, so plan your trades accordingly. Let's talk about altcoins for a moment. One name to watch is Cardano, ADA. Over the weekend, ADA saw a spike in activity due to a growing DeFi ecosystem. As of today, it's trading at 41 cents, up nearly 8% in the last 24 hours. If this momentum holds, ADA could retest the 45 cents resistance soon. On the downside, 38 cents seems to be a solid support level for now. Another standout is Chainlink, Link. The project has been in the spotlight recently due to its cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP. Link's price is up about 12% over the last week, currently trading around $16. Analysts are predicting it could climb as high as $18 if market conditions remain favorable. Shifting gears a bit, let's talk strategy. For those of you dollar-cost averaging, this might be a great time to look at some of the lagging performers in the market. Coins like Polkadot, DOT, and Avalanche, AVAX, haven't had the same explosive growth as Solana or Ethereum recently, but they're still strong projects with plenty of room for upside in 2025. If you're a long-term investor, the recent pullbacks in these assets could present opportunities. On the DeFi side, keep an eye on liquidity pools offering competitive APYs. Platforms like Aave and Compound have been rolling out updates that could make them even more attractive. But, as always, do your due diligence before locking up your funds. Before we wrap up, here are a few things to watch for next week. The Federal Reserve has a meeting scheduled on January 9th, and while it's not directly about crypto, any comments on interest rates or inflation could impact the market. Remember, the correlation between Bitcoin and traditional markets has been strong recently, so keep your eyes on those macroeconomic indicators. Another big event to watch is Binance's upcoming announcement on January 7th. The company has been teasing a major product release, and speculation is running wild. Some think it's related to a new staking product, while others believe it could be something entirely new. Whatever it is, it's likely to generate a lot of attention. Alright, folks, that's all we've got for today. If you found this episode valuable, make sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a friend who's into crypto. And don't forget to follow us on social media for real-time updates and additional insights. As always, remember to trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for tuning in to FX Videos. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay sharp and stay in the green.